You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, which is an apple pie in French. How do you say apple pie? Tarte, which is French for a pie, tarte, or tarte, like in English. Tarte aux pommes. Pomme is French for apples. The S is silent. Tarte aux pommes. You're probably familiar with a tarte tatin. Well, it's a bit different. It's an upside down tarte aux pommes. Tarte aux pommes. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say tarte aux pommes. Tarte aux pommes. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.